Children, it is a continuation of the chapter Lines and Angles. Now let us discuss about the sum of the interior angles of the triangle, that is about the angle sum property of a triangle. You know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree, and here there is a theorem on angle sum property of a triangle. The statement of the theorem is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. To prove this, consider the triangle PQR. Now let us denote the angle P is here 1, angle Q is 2, and angle R is 3 here. Now let us take the help of the angles made by the transversal of parallel lines to prove the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here draw the line parallel to QR to passing through XY. So you draw the line XY passing through P such that that line must be parallel to QR. So what is given here? It is given that here in triangle PQR, let angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angles. Now let us draw XY, or let us draw XPY. Let us take here XPY parallel to QR. XPY means that line is passing through the vertex P. So let us draw XPY parallel to PQR, that is through the point P, through the vertex P. Now you know that here angle 4 is equals to angle 2 and angle 5 is equals to angle 3, as they are alternate angles made by the transversal PQ and PR. So you write angle 4 is equals to angle 2. Why it is? Alternate angles made by the transversal of PQ XY parallel to QR, or XPY parallel to, take here XPY parallel to QR. Next also angle 5 is equals to angle R. Same reason you can give, but the transversal is here PR. So you write alternate angles made by the transversal PR of XPY parallel to QR. It is XPY parallel to QR, and consider this is first here, this is second. Now you know that XPY is a straight line. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree, as here you know that XPY is a straight line here. XPY is a straight line, because reason you can do XPY is a straight line or XPY is a line. Then you can write angle 1 is equals to angle 1, angle 4 is equals to angle 2, and angle, you take this is 3 here, angle 5 is equals to angle 3, that is equals to 180 degree, that is from first and second. Therefore you can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree means sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now let us come to the exterior angle. The word itself says exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior means it is outside. You know that each triangle is having three angles which are inside the triangle, and they are called interior angles. Commonly they are called the angles of the triangle. But here exterior means the angle which is outside the triangle. How we will get the angle outside the triangle? That is possible when a side of a triangle is produced. See the three figures here, three triangles. In the first triangle, the side BC is produced to D, and angle ACD becomes the exterior angle. And in the second triangle, the side AB is produced to D, and angle CBD is the exterior angle. If you got the measurement of the angles 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can observe that angle 4 will be equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are called the interior opposite angles to the angle ACD. Here angle ACD is the exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 are the interior opposite angles. And you see here in the second triangle, angle CBD is the exterior angle, and angle A and angle C are the interior opposite angles. And in the third case, angle BAD is the exterior angle, and angle B and angle C are the interior opposite angles. So here you can observe that exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Sum of the interior opposite angles. So there is a theorem on exterior angle of a triangle. What is the theorem here? If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Sum of the two interior opposite angles. That is the statement of the theorem on exterior angle of a triangle. Now let us prove this. Proof here. You know that in triangle ABC, which side is produced here? Side BC is produced to D here. Side BC is produced to D. Then the angle 5. You take the angle 4 it is here. Angle 4 is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. And angle 1 and angle 2 are what? Interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. Now what you have to prove here? Angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. That you have to prove. Now here you know that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to how much? That is 180 degree. Why it is 180? You know that there is a linear pair, because you know that the rays AC stands on BD. So here there is a linear pair. Linear pair here. Now also you know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. You know why it is? You know that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now you compare, consider this is the first here and this is the second. From first first and second. Here you know that RHS are same, that is 180 degree, 180 degree. LHS must be equals. So you can take here angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 here. Now you know that here you can cancel 3, 3. Here give the reason from first and second. We can cancel angle 3 and angle 3 because you know that if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Here angle 3, angle 3, they are same and equal. So here what will remain here? Angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. So equals are subtracted from equals here. So you got that 4 is the exterior angle and 1 and 2 are the interior opposite angles here. 4 is the exterior angle, 1 and 2 are the interior opposite angle. That is angle ACD is equals to, exterior angle is here, ACD is equals to what? Interior opposite angles, angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B. Angle A means that is the angle BAC, angle B means angle ABC. So you got that exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So what the theorem says, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Therefore, you can say that exterior angle equals sum of interior opposite angles.